Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to continue class 10th science. This is metals and non-metals of chemistry. This is unit test paper number 3. In the previous video we have answered for unit test paper number 2. Now let us move for unit test paper number 3. The first question of unit test paper number 3 is the metals that can be cut with knife. Calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium. Among these four options, the right option is B. So B, that is potassium and sodium. These are the two metals that can be cut with knife. They are the soft metals. Then the second question, the ore of mercury is dash. Among these four options, the right option is cinnabar. So cinnabar is a ore of mercury. So for the second question, option A, that is cinnabar. Now let us move for question number 2. Question number 3 of second main. Why copper and magnesium oxide reacts with acid but not with base? So copper ಮತ್ತು magnesium ಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ಗಳು ಆಸಿಡ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಬೇಸ್ because copper and magnesium oxide magnesium oxides are basic in nature, because metallic oxides are basic in nature. So they are basic in nature, therefore one base will not react with another base. Then question number 4. In the question number 4 they have given, why is sodium and potassium kept under kerosene? So why we have to keep sodium and potassium under kerosene? Because sodium and potassium readily reacts with air and water. Therefore it is kept under kerosene. Now let us move for question number 5, that is third main. In the third main they have given, what happens when metal reacts with water? Let us give an example. So what happens when metal reacts with water? So when metal reacts with water, it forms, that is metal reacts with water, it forms metal oxide and liberates hydrogen. And if this metal oxide is soluble in water, it forms metal hydroxide. So example, so let us take an example for this one. So that is, let us take aluminium when reacts with water. The aluminium better, because aluminium will not react with water, they react with steam, not with cold water, not with hot water, but it reacts with steam. So now let us take ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. Metal reacts with water to form metal oxide and liberates hydrogen, but if the metallic oxide soluble in water, it forms metallic hydroxide. So let us take an example. So when calcium reacts with water, it forms calcium hydroxide and liberates hydrogen. So this is example for metal reacts with water. Calcium when reacts with water, it forms calcium hydroxide. Now let us move for question number 6. What is displacement reaction? Give example. So let us know what is meant by displacement reaction. A reaction in which more reactive element displaces less reactive element. So more reactive element less reactive element displace ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Example, so Zn plus zinc when reacts with ferrous sulfate, it forms zinc sulfate plus iron. So zinc is more reactive than iron, so zinc displaces iron. So this is displacement reaction. Now let us move for question number 7. Who is called as electronegative and why? So let us answer the question number that is 7. Non-metals are called as electronegative because they gain electrons. Since they gain electrons, they are called as electronegative. Now let us move for question number 8. In the question number 8, they have given explain how to extract copper from its ore. So let us explain it now. So let us answer fourth main, that is question number 8. So question number 8 hogana, how to extract copper from its ore. So the name of the ore of copper is called as copper glans. That is Cu2S. ಇದು ಕಾಪರ್ ಗ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಓರ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಓರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಮೂವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಾಂಜ್ particles, that is mud, sand and organic matters, that is called as ganj particle. Removal of ganj particles is called concentration of ore. Then coming to the second one, step number 2, idu sulfide ore agirodrinda, so that is heating of ore in presence of oxygen to convert sulfide ore into oxide ore. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. To convert sulfide ore into oxide ore, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2Cu2S, that is sulfide ore, when it is heated in presence of oxygen, that is we are doing roasting, sulfide ore is converted into oxide ore. So sulfide ore oxide ore convert ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2Cu2O plus 2SO2. Next, let us move for step number 3. Here sulfide ore is converted into oxide ore. Then step number 3. Step number 3 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ by further unreactive copper sulfide, reacts with copper oxide, to form copper and releases sulfur dioxide. So ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು equation ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 2Cu2O plus Cu2S give rise to 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2, 6Cu plus plus SO2 liberated. So that means here we got the copper, and this copper is called blister of copper, which is not 100% pure. So this is how to get copper from copper ore. So next let us move for 9th question, that is explain the formation of sodium oxide by electron dot structure. So electron dot structure na use madkondo, so how to get sodium oxide. So let us see how to get the ionic compound called sodium oxide. So let us answer question number 9. In the question number 9, step number 1 ಏನು, metal loses electrons. So metal ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ having atomic number 11. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. KLMN281. So valence electron is 1. Sodium atom 2, 8, 1. By losing one electron, sodium atom will become sodium ion 2, 8 by losing one electron. This is step number 1. Coming to step number 2. Non-metal gains electrons. So this is step number 2. So non-metal gains electrons anta bandaga, so that is non-metal yaru, sodium oxide andre oxygen having atomic number 8. So KLMN, so 2, 6. So illi oxygen atom having the configuration 2, 6 by gaining 2 electrons, so it will become oxide ion. So 2, 6 will become 2, 8 by gaining 2 electrons. Now let us move for step number 3. So step number 3 nalli formation of sodium oxide. So formation of sodium oxide anta bandaga, so navige sodium the valency 1, oxygen the 2. So crisscross ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we are getting Na2O. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ 2 ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, Na and Na. ಈ ಸೋಡಿಯಂನ ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ 1, ಇದರದ್ದು ವೇಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಈ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ Na2O. This Na2O is called as sodium oxide, which is a ionic compound. Next, the last question of this is write a neat label diagram of action of steam on metal. So this is the diagram question. So by this successfully we have answered for all the questions related to unit test paper number 3. In the next video we are going to answer for unit test paper number 4. Till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So once again, thanks for everyone who is encouraging my YouTube channel. So thank you.